Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by shaping the hand into a natural curve so fingertips press the keys. This preserves agility and tone. Place your right thumb on middle C and left thumb on the lower C, while keeping forearms level with the keyboard. Once done, make sure your wrist is neutral, not collapsed, and imagine a light ball in your palm to keep space between knuckles. Start with one slow scale to confirm the contact and feel of each fingertip on the key. Now, you develop motion by using small forearm rotation to guide horizontal shifts, which helps fingers travel without strain. Practice one octave scales slowly at 10 to 30 beats per minute, concentrating on the thumb under transition so it slips under smoothly. Once you can do that, increase speed gradually while keeping fingers within 1 to 2 centimeters of the keys. Make sure to keep elbows relaxed. Tension in shoulders telegraphs, down to the... Finally, you bring hands together and focus on coordination. Play both parts slowly and match timing and dynamics before speeding up. Record short takes so you can spot uneven tone, late entries, or gripping in the fingers. If tension shows up, stop immediately, reset posture and hand shape, and repeat 2 to 3 bars at a reduced tempo. One key troubleshooting tip: when the thumb drags or gets stuck, reduce wrist movement and practice isolated thumb under drills until it...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.